Good evening and welcome to the news desk of St. Mary School, Rajkot. We, Hetwala,
and Janvi Nasheed
are here to narrate the epic of 2024-25. From academic success to memorable events, this year has been a remarkable year at St. Mary School, Rajkot. Prayer service. The academic year 2024-25 commenced with a prayer service which provided a meaningful and a spiritual start to our academic journey. Students and faculty members came together in unity, seeking guidance and blessings for a successful year ahead.
टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग वर्कशॉप शिक्षकों के कौशल और ज्ञान को सुदृढ़ करने के लिए आयोजित प्रशिक्षण सत्र में श्री डिक्सन सैमुअल ने मार्गदर्शन किया। इस प्रशिक्षण ने शिक्षकों को नई शैक्षिक विधियों और रणनीतियों से परिचित कराया, जिससे वे अपने विद्यार्थियों के विकास में और अधिक प्रभावी भूमिका निभा सके।
Fire training. Fire safety training was conducted for all staff members to enhance their awareness and preparedness for emergency situations. The training equipped them with essential knowledge on fire prevention, safety measures, and proper evacuation procedures. It ensured that the staff is well prepared to handle any fire-related emergencies effectively.
गुरु पूर्णिमा एंड टीचर्स डे सेलिब्रेशन। विद्यार्थियों ने गुरु पूर्णिमा और शिक्षक दिवस को बड़े उत्साह के साथ मनाया, जिसमें उन्होंने अपने शिक्षकों के प्रति प्रेम और सम्मान व्यक्त किया। ये अवसर शिक्षकों के समर्पण और कठोर परिश्रम को सम्मानित करने का एक मंच बने, जिससे छात्रों और शिक्षकों के बीच गहरा संबंध स्थापित हुआ।
Invest Teacher Ceremony. The Invest Teacher Ceremony was a momentous occasion which was held to formally entrust responsibilities to the house in charges, general captains, house captains, and vice captains. This significant event was graced by the esteemed presence of Sri R.B. Zala, Deputy SP Vigilance, who inspired the students with his words of encouragement and wisdom.
स्टूडेंट लीडरशिप ओरिएंटेशन। उपकप्तानों और अनुशासकों के लिए छात्र नेतृत्व प्रशिक्षण कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया गया, जिसमें उन्हें उनके कर्तव्यों और जिम्मेदारियों के बारे में विस्तृत मार्गदर्शन दिया गया। कार्यक्रम के मुख्य वक्ता फादर जॉनसन CMI ने नेतृत्व के गुणों पर प्रकाश डाला और छात्रों को अपने दायित्वों को प्रभावी ढंग से निभाने के लिए प्रेरित किया।
International Yoga Day. We mark International Yoga Day with a series of enriching sessions, inspiring students and staff to cultivate physical wellness, mental clarity, and harmonious balance in their daily lives.
मेडिकल कैंप। राजकोट म्युनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन के सहयोग से विद्यालय में एक चिकित्सा शिविर और हीमोग्लोबिन जांच अभियान आयोजित किया गया, जिसका उद्घाटन श्री चेतन सुरेजा, निगम पार्षद RNC वार्ड नंबर 10 ने किया। इस शिविर के माध्यम से छात्रों का स्वास्थ्य परीक्षण और हीमोग्लोबिन स्तर की जांच की गई, जिससे उनकी सेहत का ध्यान रखा गया और आवश्यक उपचार प्रदान किया गया।
Band and NCC. Band and NCC students participated in Tiranga Rally organized by government at Race Course Ground, showcasing their enthusiasm and commitment to the nation's pride. As they proudly marched to honor the spirit of unity and patriotism. Additionally, the band students demonstrated their musical talents on National Unity Day at Police Headquarters and at the 53rd Athletic Meet conducted by Saurashtra University, receiving appreciation for their performances.
MSW राखी टाइंग टू डिसेबल्ड स्टूडेंट्स। मेरीन सर्विस विंग की टीम ने सामाजिक सेवा के उद्देश्य से नवशक्ति विद्यालय मानसिक रूप से चुनौतीपूर्ण बच्चों के स्कूल का दौरा किया। इस अवसर पर हमारे विद्यालय के छात्रों द्वारा बनाई गई राखियां बच्चों को बांधी गई, जिससे उन्हें स्नेह और सम्मान का एहसास हुआ। यह पहल न केवल बच्चों के लिए खुशी का कारण बनी, बल्कि समाज में समानता और सहयोग की भावना को भी प्रोत्साहित किया।
Remedial classes. The school organizes remedial classes in AUNI for students who need additional support at no extra cost to help improve their academic performance. Experiencing the change in the academic field of the children, the parents have appreciated the hard work and effort put in by the teachers and the management of the school. Here are the reviews of some parents regarding the same.
આપણે સ્કૂલમાં રિમિડિયલ ક્લાસ ચાલુ થયા છે, તો જેનાથી બાળકોને 100% ઇમ્પ્રુવમેન્ટ છે એમાં આવે છે। જે બાળકો એ લોકોને શીખવા ઘણું બધું મળે છે। બેઝિક પાયો જે પહેલાં એ લોકોને સ્કૂલમાં બેઝિક જ્યારે આપણે સ્કૂલે બેસાડીએ ત્યારથી જે હોય, જેમ કે એડિશન, સબટ્રેક્શન, ડિવિઝન, મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન, ટેબલ્સ, પછી ગ્રામરમાં, ગુજરાતીમાં બધામાં જે બેઝિક જ્યાંથી સ્ટાર્ટ થાય છે ત્યાંથી કરાવે છે। એટલે બાળકોમાં ઇમ્પ્રુવમેન્ટ ખૂબ જ સારું આવે છે, કે જે બાળકોને અત્યારે આગળ જતા બહુ જ સારું એવી રીતે કામ લાગે છે।
તો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ તો મેમનો સપોર્ટ બહુ સારો છે। અહીંયા રેમેડિયલમાં ચાઇલ્ડ પહેલાં અમારું બાળક છે ના કહેતું હતું કે ના નથી જવું, પણ મેમ બહુ સારું કરાવે છે એટલા માટે હવે ઈ કોઈ પણ ફંક્શનમાં આપણે જાવી તો પણ એમ કહે છે કે ના મારે રેમિડિયલમાં જવું છે. એનું અને અહીંયા આવ્યા પછી મારા બાળકનું 100% ઇમ્પ્રુવમેન્ટ છે.
फेयरवेल टू मिस मिशेल एंड रतनबेन। सेंट मेरी स्कूल में शिक्षिका मिस मिशेल को 10 वर्षों की सेवा के लिए और सहायक रतनबेन वाघेला को 30 वर्षों की सेवा के लिए सम्मानित करते हुए एक भावुक विदाई समारोह आयोजित किया गया। दोनों की अटूट निष्ठा, समर्पण और मेहनत को सराहा गया, जिन्होंने विद्यार्थियों के जीवन पर अमिट छाप छोड़ी।
Celebrations. Throughout the year, the school organized a series of vibrant celebrations, including Independence Day, Janmashtami, Navratri, Diwali, and St. Mary's Day. These events not only highlighted the cultural richness of our tradition, but also encouraged students to embrace values such as patriotism, devotion, and community spirit. With enthusiastic participation from both students and staff, these celebrations created an atmosphere of joy and unity, fostering a deeper connection to our cultural heritage.
कॉम्पिटिशन्स। विभिन्न रचनात्मक प्रतियोगिताएं जैसे राखी बनाना, मटकी सजावट, वाद विवाद, क्विज, बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट, आरती थाली सजाना, गरबा सजाना और छोटे बच्चों के लिए फायरलेस कुकिंग, क्ले मॉडलिंग, रेनबो मेकिंग, स्वीट होम जैसे दिलचस्प गतिविधियां आयोजित की गई। इन प्रतियोगिताओं ने विद्यार्थियों की रचनात्मकता और कल्पना शक्ति और टीम वर्क को प्रोत्साहित किया। साथ ही उन्होंने नए कौशल सीखने और अपने हुनर को दर्शाने का मंच प्रदान किया। इन प्रयासों ने न केवल छात्रों को एकजुट किया, बल्कि उनके आत्मविश्वासों को भी नई ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचाया।
INEX Kit Finale. The school successfully hosted the INEX Kit competition as a part of its annual cultural events, providing students with a platform to showcase their creativity and teamwork through a dramatic performance. MUN. The school organized an engaging youth parliament session for both high school and higher secondary students in order to provide them with a platform to enhance their public speaking, research, and diplomatic skills while engaging in global issues. The high energy and insightful debates highlighted their potential as future leaders. Project display. A diverse range of subject projects were displayed to encourage and showcase the creativity, hard work, and innovative thinking of our students. This project provided a platform for them to explore their interest and talent, fostering a spirit of learning and excellence. The display was a true reflection of their dedication and passion for knowledge. Achievements. As we look at the ongoing school year, we feel proud to highlight the remarkable achievements of our students. Let's take a moment to celebrate some of the outstanding accomplishments of our students during the academic year 2024-25 so far. Academic achievements. Our school proudly honored the exceptional achievers of the board exams and class toppers of 2023-24. Celebrating their hard work, dedication, and outstanding academic performance. Their success serves as an inspiration to all students.
कल्चरल अचीवमेंट्स। आईनेक्स द्वारा आयोजित विभिन्न सांस्कृतिक प्रतियोगिताओं में हमारे छात्रों ने उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन करते हुए कई पुरस्कार जीते। समूह गीत प्रतियोगिता में जूनियर और सीनियर दोनों श्रेणियों में प्रथम स्थान प्राप्त किया और समूह नृत्य प्रतियोगिता में सीनियर श्रेणी में उन्होंने शीर्ष स्थान हासिल किया। नाटक प्रतियोगिता में हमारे छात्रों ने जूनियर श्रेणी में दूसरा और सीनियर श्रेणी में तीसरा स्थान प्राप्त किया और विद्यालय का नाम रोशन किया। हमारे विद्यालय के छात्रों ने अपनी अद्वितीय कला और समर्पण के साथ जिला स्तर पर बाल प्रतिभा शोध समूह गीत प्रतियोगिता में प्रथम स्थान और बाल प्रतिभा भजन प्रतियोगिता में द्वितीय स्थान प्राप्त किया। इसके अलावा राज्य स्तरीय टैलेंट हंट प्रतियोगिता में सुगम संगीत श्रेणी में भी उन्होंने प्रथम स्थान हासिल करा और विद्यालय का नाम रोशन किया।
Sports achievements. Our sports team and athletes have shown remarkable dedication and skill, representing the school with pride in various competitions and tournaments. The students of our school excelled in various district level sports competitions, winning prizes, awards in taekwondo, karate, chess, and running races in both boys and girls categories under 17 and 19, bringing glory to the school with their remarkable achievements.
हमें अत्यंत गर्व है कि हमारे विद्यालय के 3 छात्रों का चयन अंडर 17 वर्ष राज्य स्तर फुटबॉल टीम में हुआ है। यह सफलता हमारे छात्रों की कड़ी मेहनत और प्रतिबद्धता के साथ साथ हमारे खेल शिक्षकों के प्रेरणादायक मार्गदर्शन का शानदार परिणाम है।
Adding a proud feather to our cap, our school was declared the best school in Spandan 2024-25. The state-level inter-school competition, where 30 of our students brought home awards in various events. In the Times of India public speaking event, 2 of our students secured an impressive 4th place. Furthermore, our junior football team claimed the championship title in the prestigious Silver Jubilee Cup hosted by St. Paul's School, Rajkot, demonstrating their outstanding skill and teamwork. Conclusion. As we conclude, we take immense pride in the exceptional achievements of our students and relentless dedication of our staff. Last but not the least, we sincerely thank all our parents for their constant support, trust, and collaboration throughout the year. Your encouragement and active involvement play a crucial role in our students' success and the overall growth of the school.
Namaste. My son is studying in St. Mary's School, Rajkot in 7th class. The school is excellent and I have seen significant improvement in my child's studies. And I am thankful to the teachers and the principal for providing such good education. The school's environment is very positive and I am satisfied with my both children's academic progress and mental well-being. The school is not only focusing on the academic progress but also in extracurricular activities, so which helps my child's both mental and physical well-being. It has been a very pleasant journey with St. Mary's School and I am grateful to the all support provided by the school.
We are really very impressed with the teaching and curriculum activities as performed by this school, which makes the school different from the other schools. And the worksheets which are provided for the practice of the students are so unique and creative that makes my child think beyond the prescribed textbooks.
You would like to give feedback on St. Mary's overall school's environment and teaching methodology and everything we found excellent. The way teachers are handling students and childs are so far excellent. Our child is in primary only. So far journey is good. Extracurricular activity, holistic approach for developing child and paying attention on academic development is also satisfactory so far.
With a spirit of excellence and commitment to growth, we eagerly look forward to a future filled with new opportunities, accomplishment, and continued success. Together, we will soar to even greater heights in the year ahead.
That wraps up our broadcast for tonight. Thank you for tuning in and do stay updated on our website for the latest news. Stay safe and have a good night.